Morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Benedict's Hotel. May I have your credit card and ID, ma'am, to process your check-in?
Sure.
Thank you. Let me check for a while. Please check this, ma'am.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes?
Why is my information displayed like this?
Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I didn't mean for that to happen. Let me check immediately.
No, this is unacceptable. You're supposed to keep my personal information secure.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Unauthorized purchases? How is this possible? It must be because the hotel exposed my information. I'm taking legal action.
The court is now in session for the case of Miss Honey versus Benedict's Hotel. This case concerns the alleged violation of the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Attorney Jerry, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client, Miss Hannah, checked into Benedict's Hotel, trusting them to secure her personal information. Due to the negligence of their staff, her details were exposed and leading to the fraudulent activity on her account.
Attorney Kenneth, your response.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, while the hotel requests the incident, this was an error. The reception left the system open but did not intend to harm.
Your Honor, and that does not absolve liability. Your Honor, Section 20 of the Data Privacy Act clearly states that businesses collecting personal data must implement safeguards to prevent unauthorized access.
Christine, as the hotel manager, what measures were in place to secure guest data?
Your Honor, we have a secure system. However, our staff made an error. We are now training our new employees to ensure that this doesn't happen again.
Your Honor, this breach could have been avoided if proper protocols were enforced. However, negligence and intentionality is a direct violation of the Data Privacy Act. Miss Honey,
Your Honor, I trusted the hotel with my personal information, but their negligence caused me financial and emotional distress.
Attorney Kenneth, do you have anything to add?
Your Honor, we recognize our client mistake and we're willing to settle the matter of compensation.
After reviewing the evidence and testimonies, the court finds Benedict's Hotel in violation of Republic Act number 10173. The hotel failed to implement adequate safeguards to protect guest data. The hotel manager is ordered to compensate Ms. Honey for damages amounting to her financial loss and emotional distress. Additionally, the hotel must submit a report on the revised data security protocols within 30 days. This case has been dismissed.
thank you, Your Honor.
I'm so sorry, Miss Honey.
I'm glad justice was served today. I hope your hotel takes data privacy more seriously moving forward.
I deeply apologize, Miss Honey. We've learned a lot from this incident and will ensure it will never happen again.
Okay, thank you.
This case underscores the importance of upholding Republic Act No. 10173 in the tourism sector. Businesses must prioritize the security of personal data to maintain trust and protect travelers in this digital age.